As parents, we know how important feeding our children is, and to keep them healthy, strong, and full of life, it is necessary to feed them with healthy and tasty foods. For this reason, on this occasion we will prepare a delicious recipe rich in protein, iron, and vitamin V, typical of the Andean region of South America: chicken heart skewers. Let us begin. To prepare this recipe, you can use any type of grill. In my case, I am using a homemade grill made from an old frying pan. We prepare the sauce with cumin, salt, soy sauce, and lemon. Now we proceed to mix. We place the chicken hearts in a bowl and stream them one by one onto the skewers. You can make as many as you want. For example, I am using 600 grams that conveniently fit on the plate. We put our skewers on the grill. Using a sauce basting brush, brush the skewers with the sauce. After a couple of minutes, flip the skewers. Brush the skewers with the sauce again. These skewers look very good, not long to serve and start enjoying. If you want your skewers well cooked, flip once more and brush the skewer with the sauce one last time. And here is the fruit of our effort: some delicious chicken heart skewers that at first glance do not look bad at all, but let the judges decide. The results were better than I expected, but just in case, let's look for a third opinion. I think it's more than clear that she liked the skewer. And that's all for today. I hope this video has been useful to you. Tell us in the comment section your experience with chicken heart skewers, and what other exotic dish would you like us to make. Goodbye, until next time, friends.